Some species of turtles, like the Australian white-throated snapping turtle, can absorb oxygen through their cloaca, an orifice used for excretion and reproduction. This unique adaptation allows them to stay underwater for extended periods without coming up for air. In botanical terms, a banana is classified as a berry, while a strawberry isn't. This is because, botanically speaking, a berry is a fruit produced from the ovary of a single flower with seeds embedded in the flesh, which applies to bananas but not strawberries. An octopus has 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Additionally, their blood is blue due to a copper-based protein called hemocyanin, which is more efficient than hemoglobin for oxygen transport in cold and low-oxygen environments. Venus has an extremely slow rotation on its axis, making a day on Venus, 243 Earth days, longer than a year on Venus, 225 Earth days. This oddity is due to Venus's unusual rotation direction, which is opposite to most planets in the solar system. Surprisingly, Earth has more trees than the Milky Way has stars. It's estimated that our planet is home to over 3 trillion trees, while the Milky Way has between 100 to 400 billion stars. Humans shed about 4 kilograms, or 8.8 pounds of skin cells each year. The human body is constantly regenerating its skin, and as new cells form, old cells are pushed to the surface and eventually shed. The human nose is remarkably sensitive and can distinguish between at least 50,000 different scents. This sense of smell is made possible by a complex system of olfactory receptors and brain processes that interpret these scents. The ancient Romans celebrated a festival called Hilaria on March 25th, which involved people dressing up in disguises. It's thought to be one of the earliest forms of what we now know as April Fool's Day. The shortest war in recorded history was between Britain and Zanzibar on August 27, 1896. Zanzibar surrendered after just 38 minutes of naval bombardment by the British. Honey's unique chemical composition makes it an eternal food item. It's naturally acidic and low in moisture, creating an inhospitable environment for bacteria and microorganisms, allowing it to remain edible for thousands of years.